strive to build a better society and work at the grassroots level to achieve that. They believe that nurturing great values in human beings at a very young age is very important for the society to become progressive. Many renowned political leaders, artists, businessmen, and defense professionals of today owe their success to the teachers who taught them to dream big and force their interest. These individuals, who are role models to many across the world, have even mentioned the role of their teachers in their success and paid tribute to their guides through the pages of their autobiographies. Students across the world express their gratitude towards their teachers on a particular day of the year, popularly known as Teachers' Day. One of the most best ways of expressing our love and gratitude towards our teacher is through poem, which we believe will bring a wide smile on the faces of our teachers who mold their students into precious gems. Now, I will request my classmates to come upon the stage in order. Now let us pay our gratitude towards our teacher through this poem. Thank you for all the hours you spend, attention you give, needs that you tend, knowledge you pass on, your special touch, offering guidance, undaunted by much, time you spend planning, efforts you make, angles to learning, chances you take. Here's our teacher, each one a gem, recognized now we, salute them. Now I will request all of my classmates to pay honor to our teachers with salute. Before leaving the stage, I will request all of my schoolmates to pay the "We Love You" slogan to our teachers. So I am making the countdown. Everybody. 1, 2, 3, start. We love you. We love you. We love you. Finally, I will request our honorable principal, sir, to drop his few precious words. I also request him to conclude today's program by fishing and distributing the special cake with his blessed hand. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajal Bedari. Really, I'm very much happy. Today, Class 7 has organized a happy farewell as is the last day of the academic session 2072. So, is the day when this time and the day will never return back again in your life. So in order to make the day memorable, the plan your class teacher, respected sir, SD sir has made, and you students which you all have made, really it's appreciating, and hope that other students in the school will be following the same culture in upcoming session 073. and hope to see each and every classes celebrating the last day of their academic session. So I think it's happening first time in the history of Arunodaya today. And I don't want to take long time. Just I'd like to say is that in order to achieve success, you need a burning desire. And if you have a burning desire and if you make your land fertile, you can sow the seed so that tomorrow there will be a huge tree with fruits. So you are the pillar of the nation. You are the future of the nation. You are our doctors, engineers, pilots, social workers, and the patriots. Those who really can give more to the motherland. And I have seen those qualities in you all. And hope in upcoming days you will be blessed more, and finally you will reach your destiny. And whatever you have thought when you have joined Arunodaya family, every wishes may be fulfilled. So, dear students, in this happy occasion, just I'd like to say is that which I had said you before yesterday, the day before yesterday, which I already conveyed you during our morning assembly hours, that pay your endeavor towards your studies. Students' work is to study, study and study. If you go on doing that, no one can stop you from being successful in your life. So you must have that passion in you. And one day you will reach that place where your Arun sir, your other teachers, they will be just looking up and saying that really we are very much happy that my student is in that place today. So please lend us that opportunity, give us that opportunity. So we are waiting for that day. And may your examination, upcoming examination, final terminal 072 be the best examination in your life. Try to make it the special examination by attempting each and every questions or answers. Give such answers that there will not be any space left behind for your teachers to deduct the marks. Write it from your core of your heart. Write properly. We have provided you ample of time, 3 hours for 100 marks. And we have prepared the questions which are very much easy, which really suits you. And if you have worked well, then there is a maximum chance of bringing maximum marks or securing maximum marks in the examination. And especially best wishes to those failure students, those who were unable to pass the examination in previous years. We are much worried about them. So this time you need to be getting a nice score in an examination so that we can see you again in this family. Otherwise, I have said is that 2 consecutive years failure in same class will be disappearing from our family, will be disappearing from the school, will not entertain you or will not take you in the upcoming session. So try to keep that thing also in mind and work hard, fearless, be fearless. Don't think about the result and other things. Just go and study, carry on your studies. If you will do so, really you will be again promoted to the next classes with a grand cheers from each and every corners, from the side of your parents, from the side of your teachers, and everyone. So I hope today's day you made it really worthy, memorable, and meaningful. You provided a good lesson to everyone, perhaps, and rest of you all, those who have seen the celebration, those who have become the part of the celebration, try to learn from class 7 and try to make it in your schedule for the upcoming session 2007-3 to make it a grand celebration in each and every class, so that in future you will be remembering and you will be glad to remember those years passed by. So have a happy time, have a great time, a great celebration, and let us welcome 2073, let 2073 be and bring peace, prosperity, happiness, well-being, and lots of education and moral skills in your life. God bless you all, my dear students. I love you very much. Love you very much. Thank you very much.
Huh?